to Super Science with Jacob. And today we are going to make a leaf flow like a boat in water. All you need is some ink or food coloring, a leaf, and a bowl of water. You normally want a light surface, but you don't have to. It just lets the color be shown better. As you can see, we've already filled up the bowl with water, and now I am going to take this normal, ordinary pen and put it on the tip of a leaf. And what's going to happen is it will go like a boat, and it will just go everywhere. And what you want to do normally is do something like that. Very carefully, because the ink will normally don't bend if it's a full one like I am using. And you try and get everything in.
I'm done.
And it might take a second, but it will ooze out at one point. But I am using a red one. You don't have to. I just am. Alright. So I'm just going to put that down. This is really pouring out. Alright, I'm going to close that up. Now I'm going to carefully put it in the water, and there you go. A leaf that flows in the water. And that is how you make a leaf flow like a boat. Alright, you might be wondering why the leaf was acting like a boat in the water. Well, that has something to do with something called surface tension, which if you just put a normal leaf in water, well, nothing happens because the surface tension is pulling it from all directions. But if you put something like food coloring or ink, it blocks out the surface tension, making lower surface tension at that spot, and letting the other side have more, making it just get pulled around the water. So it seems like that it's getting pushed by the ink, but really it's quite the opposite. The clean water is pulling it away from the ink. So now you know how to make a leaf flow like a boat in water. And see you next time in Super Science with Jacob.